All right, today we're going to build 3 more cabinets for the island, and they're all just a little bit different, so I put them all together in this video, and just for you to check out and see what it's like to build different cabinet styles. So with that, let's get into it. And for those who don't know me, I'm Jared Myers, and I spent about 6 months of all my free time outside of my normal 40-hour work week to go ahead and completely remodel my kitchen. And I recorded as much as I could to share with everybody so they could learn a little bit and maybe get something out of it. So with that, let's get into it. All right, so the first cabinet is a section-based cabinet, 18 by 24 by 30, and this is just kind of a standard cabinet that I'm just going to put some doors on. So pretty simple build. Come on, dude. Hey, if you're finding any of this helpful or interesting, give me a like, give me a comment, maybe a subscribe. Just really appreciate that you're watching. Thanks so much. All right, so with that cabinet completed, the next one is going to be a section-based cabinet for the island as well, a 30 by 24 by 30 inch cabinet. Almost the same exact build, So follow along, pretty simple. Yep. All right, now that that one's completed, we're going to move on to the next cabinet. And this one is also for the island, but it's a little more shallow. It's a 30 by 14 and 3/4 by 36. This happened because I put a wine rack in the one end of the island, so one of these cabinets had to be shorter and not be the full depth as the other ones. So very similar build as all the other cabinets, but I wanted to show it just in case you have to build one yourself. All right, so that is the last cabinet for the island that we have to build. This was a shallow one. And now that we have these other 3 completed, we can actually start installing them and planning out where they go in the kitchen. So that's what the next video is going to be. If you're interested in seeing how I planned mine out and how I mounted my kitchen cabinets to the floor for the island, check out this next video right here.